Hi, my name is Vinay Kumar and you are watching Digital Vinay channel. Today I am going to give a review on Empire, who was owned by Venkataramana, Mark Bishop and Nakul. Now let us see what is Empire, what are the benefits of Empire, what you get when purchased today, what training is included in this course, overview of Empire dashboard and my high quality products as exclusive bonuses. Now, what is Empire? Empire is a software which you can create your own e-commerce site without purchasing a hosting or domain. And you can rank easily on Google by optimizing keywords, description and titles. And you need to create an affiliate accounts on ClickBank, eBay and Amazon's. After creating an account, you need to configure API keys to the Empire software. After configuration, you need to add a products to the Empire software. Means what you have created a website, you should add a products to the your website. After adding a products, now it's time to traffic. You can promote your products to different types of social media networks. Now what is the importance of this Empire? Let us see. Empire Store Builder allows you create brand new hybrid authority stores in under 60 seconds. Create a professional store in 60 seconds. Simply tap a few buttons to create a store that's ready to take orders. No domains, hostings, plugins, design or coding needed. It could not be easier. Loaded with physical and digital products that are proven to sell. Simply tap a few buttons to create a store that's ready to take orders. No domain, hosting, plugins, design or coding needed. It could not be easier. Built-in free traffic. A couple of buttons to activate free traffic right inside your dashboard. Attract shoppers from social media and other people's website for free. Sit back and earn easy commissions. Now you can start a real e-commerce business without sourcing products, shippings, customer service or even a website. Avoid years of hard work. Now you can create a true lifestyle e-com business that most beginners won't experience for years from now. Now what are the benefits of Empire? This software will let your customer get traffic and sales. It's proven system to work to get sales. This can instantly create brand new hybrid authority stores in under 60 seconds. In this software you will get the tutorials and everything else they need to succeed. Now is the perfect time to build your affiliate store. Right now, millions of people are stuck at home and they are shopping online more than ever. Now, let us see overview of dashboard. This is a dashboard of Empire. Here, in my sites, you can create your own e-commerce store, and in this setting, you can configure API keys, and here you will get the support and you will get a step-by-step tutorial how to configure API keys and how to create your own websites, and you will get all the bonuses. Now for first if you want to create your website, you need an affiliate links from Amazon, eBay and ClickBank. After getting an affiliate links, you need to set or configure API keys from Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank. After getting the API keys, you need to place here Amazon tag name, access key, and secret key, which country you are in. Paste those details here, and with same with the eBay, and you need to add your username, ClickBank ID here, and By clicking my sites, you can create your e-commerce store by clicking here. Now you will redirect to configure your subdomain page. Now you can write your subdomain name, site title, and you can select your country, select which category you want, and Amazon tags, and your domain URL. And after creating a subdomain, you can select a layouts, which layout you want, classic, retro classic, or retro smooth. And you can add your logo here, and body color, header color, and you can add all your social links here, and favicon URL you can add here. And you need to write your site bio, and you should paste your analytics code here. And you can customize show sidebar, show navigation, show footer. If you don't want, you can just turn it off. And here it is a SEO option. You can add meta keywords and a meta description, so that you can rank on the Google. Disclaimer, you can write your disclaimer here. And you can add pixel code. Now after creating your site, now you need to search for the products. When you click this button, you will redirect to this page, product research page. In this you can search for keyword. For example, weight loss. From which store you want, Amazon, eBay, or ClickBank. You can choose any one of them. And category, you can choose which category you want: baby, beauty, books, classics, DVD, electronics, and many more. Here select which product you want and click search button. Now here you will display all these products. Just by clicking import, this product will add to your website. If you want any product, you can just click on import. That will add to your website. After adding a website, now these are the products you have added already. This will look like this. And you can share to different social media networks: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, WordPress, whichever traffic you need. You can just click the button here, and you will redirect to that page, and you can post it. Now this is all about dashboard. Now it's time to bonus. Now this is a empire bonus. When you purchase through my link, you will get high quality bonuses. Bonus 1, you will get email marketing riches, which is worth of $197. And bonus 2, you will get list building strategies revealed, which is worth of $197. And you will get list building trifecta, which is worth of $297. And fourth bonus is list building domination blueprint guide, which is worth of $197. And fifth bonus, special bonuses, which are all vendor bonuses, you will get in the dashboard members area. When you click the button below, now claim to free instant bonus packages before the countdown timer hits 0. So click here to secure your copy and bonuses. Now one thing, if you want to really build an email list, you need all these bonuses for creating your email list. For any business you need email list for more traffic and more sales. So you need all these bonuses. So grab it today before this bonus page expires. And here you will get upsells, prices and upsells. Front end you will cost $17, and OTO 1, which is a worth of $39. It includes clone functionality with 5 DFI stores in high converting niches and unlimited products. Second OTO, which is worth of $197, Empire Gold, includes 15 site creations, so user can target additional niches. And next OTO 3, which is worth of $39. Users can create automated hybrid stores in additional specific niches in addition to OTO 2 features. And OTO 4, which is worth of $47, which is unlimited sales and reseller package. And OTO 5, which is worth of $127. So these are the upsells, and you will get high quality products as exclusive bonuses. First one, email marketing reaches. Second one, list building strategy revealed. Third one, list building trifecta and list building domination. And finally you will get all the vendor bonuses in your members area. This is all about the bonus page. Now let's go to the slides. This is all about the bonuses. If you purchase through my link, you will get high quality products as bonuses, so grab it today before bonus page expires. However, in order to meet my minimum criteria of recommending it to you, it needs to minimum score of at least 90%. Based on my time with the product and my overall impression, that rating I give this product is 95 by 100. Once again, I am remembering you, if you purchase through my link, you will get high quality products as bonuses, so grab it today before bonus page expires. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description. And one more thing, you will get free email list building training, which is link in the description, so grab it today. Thank you for watching my review. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for further notification. Have a great day. Thank you.